Welcome to the Growth Mindset Project, your go-to place for mastering your learning with a growth mindset. Today we're going to look at the topic of division, and this is going to be a really short introduction to division. What is division? Well, simply put, division is the sharing of an amount into equal groups. Now, that's the most basic definition of division. It doesn't always work out that way. Sometimes things can't go in equally, but we're not worried about that right now. We are just going to learn to divide when everything's shared equally. So let's do a little bit of division. Let's see if we can wrap our heads around this concept. So, me and you. So here's a picture, okay? Here's me. Here's me. And let's see. Here's you. Okay. So here's me and here's you. And we're going to go apple picking. Okay. And we picked 20 apples. So I'm going to draw 20 apples over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And what we want to do is we want to divide these apples equally. We want to share them by putting them into equal groups, okay? So we have 20 apples. You can see them right here. And we want to divide those apples between me and between you. So how many people are we dividing them by? Well, we're dividing them by 2, me and you. Okay? So, when we think about our division now, so we have 20 apples divided into equal groups, which is going to be 2 equal groups because there's me and there's you. We need to think about now, can we evenly or equally group these apples right here into 2 groups? So there's none left over. And we can do that, okay? And here's how we're going to. Okay, I am going to circle this group, okay? So we'll call this group 1, okay? That's group 1. And let's see, how many do we have in group 1? Well, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 apples in group 1. So if we want to split these evenly, divide them evenly, our second group also needs to have 10 apples, okay? So let's circle our second group right here. Okay, and let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there's also 10 apples in group 2. So, going back to our definition, division, the sharing of an amount into equal groups. These 2 groups right here, they are equal because they each have 10 apples. We have group 1 and we have group 2, okay? So our 20 apples in total have been put into 2 groups. How many apples are in each of those groups? Well, we can see that right here. There's 10 in each group. So 20 divided by 2 is going to give us an answer of 10. Okay. Let's do another one. Okay, let's imagine now. Okay. Let's imagine now that now we're going blueberry picking, okay? But somebody else is going to join us. We're going to have somebody else come along. So here's that person. Okay, here's that person, and they're coming along. Okay, and we went and picked, let's see, we went and picked 12 blueberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we went and picked 12 blueberries. Okay, well, we have 12 blueberries, and we want to divide that now between how many people? Well, there's me, there's you, and here's a friend. So we are now dividing this between 3 people. So we need to ask ourselves, can we divide these 12 blueberries into three equal groups? Well, sure we can. Okay? Sure we can. Here's group 1. There's group number 1. And inside group 1, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 4 blueberries. Okay? Let's do this one right here. This is going to be that's going to be group 2. And inside group 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blueberries. And this is going to be group 3. And inside group 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 blueberries. So we have 12 total blueberries. We have so here's our 12 total blueberries. We have divided that into three groups. And so we ask ourselves, well, how many blueberries are in each group? Let's just double check. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Okay? That's a really simple, really basic introduction to how you divide numbers. What I want you to do now, okay, is I want you to pause this video right now. Once you've paused it, I want you to solve these 3 problems. And then when we come back, I want you to see how did you do. Okay, well, let's check our problems now. Let's check our answers. 15 divided by 3, that's going to be, that's going to be 5. 20 divided by 5, that's going to be 4. And 12 divided by 2 is 6. Okay? That is an introduction to division. I will see you in the next video. Take care.